Hi everyone, want to build your Gemini AI or try prompt engineering the easy way? Today, let me show you how to get started with Google AI Studio in just minutes. So let's get started. First, go to the Google AI Studio and then sign in with your Google account. Google Studio AI is also called as a maker suite and lets you create, test, and deploy prompts using the Gemini models, and there's no setup needed. Then, after that, create a new prompt. Click the new prompt on the dashboard and choose a model of Gemini 1.5 Pro or Gemini 1.0 Pro version and start typing your prompt in the text editor, like for this example here. Then, after that, click Submit and see the response instantly. And here you can adjust and modify the temperature, which is for creativity, max output tokens, which is no longer for longer and shorter replies, the modal version like a Gemini 1.5 Flush, or faster results. Then, after that, tweak settings to get the exact tone and style you need. Then, explore the multimodal features, and this is optional. You can use the Gemini 1.5 Pro version to input images plus combine the text and image prompts, like this example prompt here. Then, after that, you can click and get the code to copy your prompt as a Python or Node.js using the Gemini API, like for this example code here. And that's it. That's how you ready to explore and build with Google AI Studio and the powerful Gemini models. If you found this video helpful, please like and subscribe and stay tuned for more AI tutorials. Thanks for watching.